The world of photography is constantly evolving, and every few years, a camera comes along that completely redefines what's possible. Nikon has long been at the heart of this evolution, with its iconic DSLRs dominating the industry for decades and its Z-series mirrorless cameras pushing the boundaries in recent years. But now, rumors and leaks are suggesting something that sounds almost too ambitious to be true: a camera that might become the fastest full-frame mirrorless model ever created. That camera is none other than the rumored Nikon ZX. So, what exactly is the Nikon ZX? Why is it being called the fastest camera around? And could it really change the competitive landscape of professional photography and videography? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll break down everything we know, everything we've heard, and everything we can reasonably speculate about Nikon's possible new flagship, the Nikon ZX. Let's start with the basics. The Nikon ZX isn't an officially confirmed camera yet. It exists purely in the world of speculation, patents, and whispers from the photography community. But in recent months, several credible leaks and industry insiders have started hinting that Nikon is working on something beyond the Z9 and the upcoming Z9 II. This rumored camera isn't just a Mark II update or a modest refinement. Instead, it could be an entirely new category, positioned as a performance beast designed to dominate in speed. The X in Nikon ZX suggests extreme, experimental, or even exclusive. Nikon has historically used special naming conventions for cameras that break new ground, and the ZX could follow that pattern. Much like Sony uses its A1 and Canon has the R1 on the horizon, Nikon might be preparing the ZX as a halo product, one that showcases everything the company is capable of without compromise. The bold claim that the Nikon ZX might be the fastest camera around comes from a combination of rumored specs and Nikon's own recent innovations. The Z9 already shocked the industry with its stacked CMOS sensor and 120 frames per second still shooting bursts at lower resolutions. If Nikon takes this concept further, the ZX could push into territory no competitor has yet reached. Global shutter sensor. This is the holy grail of digital photography. Unlike rolling shutter sensors, a global shutter captures the entire frame at once, completely eliminating distortions during fast movement. This would revolutionize sports, wildlife, and even cinema. Insane burst rates. Current whispers suggest the Nikon ZX could shoot up to 240 frames per second stills in lower resolution and maintain 60 frames per second at full resolution without blackout. That kind of speed would surpass not just Nikon Z9, but also Canon's rumored R1 and Sony's A1 successors. Next-gen XP processor. A camera this powerful needs a brain to match. Nikon is said to be developing a new XP processor designed to handle these massive data transfers in real time, without overheating or bottlenecks. Ultra-fast buffer and CF Express Gen 4 support. Shooting hundreds of raw frames per second is pointless without storage to match. If the ZX launches with next-gen memory card compatibility, it could make high-speed continuous shooting actually practical. Speed isn't everything, but for some photographers, it's the most important factor. The Nikon ZX would clearly target professionals who need absolute performance in high-stakes environments. Sports photographers. Imagine capturing every split-second move